Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at a simple but interesting inverter circuit built with very basic components. In this circuit, we convert 12 volts DC into high voltage AC using a relay, a transformer, a capacitor, and a resistor. The switching action of the relay creates an alternating current on the transformer's low voltage side. The electrolytic capacitor and resistor form a timing network. They control how fast the relay turns on and off, which directly affects the output frequency. Even though the transformer is rated 220 volts, the output never reaches true 220 volts AC. That's because the input waveform is not a pure sine wave. The relay produces a low-frequency, irregular, square-like waveform. This causes poor magnetic efficiency inside the transformer. That's why the measured output voltage fluctuates between 160 and 190 volts AC, even with no load. One big advantage is simplicity. It uses very few components and is easy to understand. It's also a great way to demonstrate basic inverter principles. However, efficiency is very low. A lot of energy is wasted as heat and mechanical loss in the relay. The output frequency is unstable and far from standard 50 or 60 Hz. Yes, frequent switching will reduce the relay's lifespan. Mechanical contacts wear out quickly at high switching rates. This circuit can power very light loads like a small lamp for demonstration purposes, but it should not be used as a real inverter. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.